Hi, my name is Mike Benson, and if you've made it here, it's probably because you're struggling with gut flora balance and overall digestive health. And guess what? It's not your fault. Many people feel the same way, trying countless methods without seeing real results. A revolution for gut health. The product is Ozelyt CS 20B, and it carries this promise. But is it true? Stay with me until the end of this video, because I have some powerful truths to share with you. And a few important warnings. It's frustrating to try different diets, probiotics, or remedies hoping to restore your gut balance, only to feel bloated, uncomfortable, or out of energy again. You are not alone in this. But what if I told you there are natural and effective solutions that can truly make a difference? Before we go further, I must warn you. Be very careful where you buy Ozelyt. This supplement is only available on the official website. To make it easier, I've left the link in the description of this video and in the pinned comment. This is essential to avoid scams. Recent studies show that gut flora imbalances are often behind digestive discomfort, yeast overgrowth, and even lowered immunity. On the other hand, people with a balanced microbiome tend to feel lighter, more energized, and healthier. That's where Ozelyt comes in. This advanced probiotic delivers 20 billion CFU from 13 clinically informed strains, including Lactobacillus acidophilus, L. rhamnosus, B. lactis, L. plantarum, B. breve, and more. Ozelyt CS 20B, probiotic for gut balance. Together they support yeast balance, encourage a healthy vaginal and gut microbiome, reduce bloating, and boost immunity. All in a clean, vegan, and non-GMO capsule. Why Ozelyt? Ozelyt is unlike anything you've tried before. Its innovative probiotic blend works naturally to restore microbial balance, supporting both digestive comfort and immune defense. Many users notice feeling lighter, less bloated, and more energized within weeks, without restrictive diets or uncomfortable methods. With Ozelyt, you can support yeast and gut flora balance, reduce occasional gas and bloating, encourage nutrient absorption, strengthen immune defenses, enjoy a 100% natural, gluten-free, vegan probiotic. Everyone's body is unique, so results may vary, but many report visible improvements within the first month, and even greater benefits after 3 months of consistent use. Here's the best part. Every order of Ozelyt is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try completely risk-free. If you're not satisfied with your results, you can contact the supplier and get your money back. No questions asked. Ozelyt CS 20B. Probiotic for a good health. So, before you buy, remember my warning. Ozelyt is only available through the official website. Don't risk your health with fake supplements. Click the link in the description now to secure your bottles and start the transformation your gut and body deserve. I hope this review helps you, just like Ozelyt CS 20B has already improved the lives of many people. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment if you have any questions. The official purchase link is right below.